Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today I will discuss work and life balance. People often ask me, what is your idea of work and life balance? My definition for work and life balance is there is a certain amount of balance that needs to be created between physical needs, social needs, mental needs, and spiritual needs. When in balance, a person feels fulfillment, passion, and a spirit of adventure. Then people often ask, what are the 5 steps to work and life balance? This is what I think are the 5 steps to work and life balance. 1, write objectives. Develop and write clear, measurable, attainable, and specific objectives. Number 2, keep a master task list. Identify the tasks that need to be done to achieve your objectives. Number 3, prioritize. Put first things first to achieve your objectives. Determine importance and urgency. Number 4, manage distractions. Identify and eliminate interruptions, distractions, and obstacles that often keep you from achieving work and life balance. Number 5, take action. Develop a plan to achieve your objectives. Take appropriate action to achieve results. Identify what you need and get busy doing it. You might be wondering, what is work and life balance and why is it important? The benefits of prioritizing work and life balance include increased productivity, higher worker engagement, reduced stress, and more time to devote to leisure activities. Employees who can find a healthy balance between work and life are generally happier, healthier, and focused, and less likely to miss work. Some people question whether it is bad to ask about work and life balance, and I say absolutely not. Open and honest communication with your managers and coworkers is the key. Often people are unaware of the demands they are putting on you. You need to be vulnerable enough to ask for assistance in prioritizing or shedding tasks. Anticipate the busy times of the year and be prepared to negotiate quickness, quantity, and quality, whether it's product, service, communication, or availability. Work and life balance is somewhat a mystery for some people. They often ask me, what does a healthy work-life balance look like? Well, create a morning routine. Create and stick to a schedule. Plan monthly, then weekly, and then daily. A start time, a morning break, a lunch time, an afternoon break, virtual meetings, conference calls, anything like that. And create an end-of-the-day routine. Set up a clocking out routine, some sort of an alert or an alarm 30 minutes before the end of the day. Review your list, your master task list, and send some final emails. Make a note of unfinished tasks. Write a few notes. Review information. Identify the first task of the next day. Finally, create a nighttime routine too. People wonder, how does achieving work-life balance promote positive mental health and help people coping with stress? When it comes to positive mental health, good work and life balance removes the feelings of feeling overwhelmed or defeated, worn out of control, hopelessness, and helplessness. So to achieve work-life balance, promote positive mental health, and help people cope with stress, I suggest that you plan your time commitments realistically, thoughtfully consider how long things really take, recognize the limits of each day, see in advance whether new requests will or will not fit, become more strategic with time management, with time estimating. Once you do the math, it becomes easier to delegate, say no, and resist pressure from others. Simplify, simplify, simplify everything you can think of: banking, babysitting, daycare, and house cleaning. Simplification creates peace. Good work and life balance probably includes flexible hours, working from home, and time away from work, but there is more to it than that. We're all victims of letting work stress slide into our personal lives, and over time it could have a negative impact on our family and our other social relationships. So work at leaving work at work. Make a list of things to do tomorrow and unplug. Find a way to make your commute home more enjoyable. Maybe take a road less traveled and see something new. Listen to a different radio station or podcast for some fresh thoughts. I know work encroaches on our personal time, such as being expected to answer work emails after hours, and it impacts your personal life too. Sure, you probably need to be connected through technology for your work, but be in control of it, or at least negotiate it rather than be a victim of it. Being overly connected with high-tech gadgets and apps can lead to stress and endless interruptions. Schedule some time off from the technology. Go on a social media diet too. If you or your coworkers seek work and life balance, contact me at kit@seminarsonstress.com, and I will provide a presentation packed with practical strategies to manage time and stress.